you? Welcome back. It's Jojo. Joe T. What's happening? This happened. Vichar says I saw Says post about it, and I was like, again, the Doon boys. Says has worked with everyone now from Uttarakhand. I like it. I like it. He himself is also Pahadi, So lovely. Vichar is just all the way up right now. And I mean, collabing with Says was what's the word? होना ही था फ्रेज हो गया लेकिन होना ही था आई जस्ट लाइक टू से होना ही था बिकॉज कि ये आर्टिस्ट इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं और ये दिस इज लाइक a big thing to collab with us says because he is the OG. He's the one who's been there, scene starter basically. So lovely. And I think I had commented this on Yashraj's post. Yashraj had posted about his collab with Badshah or his Grammy nomination, which by the way, hello. See, everyone's been saying Grammy, 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 or I yahan se Yashraj. Nobody knew, nobody expected, and suddenly, boom, Grammy nominee. Anyway, hona hi tha is what I like to say. Hona hi tha. When your art is good, you're dedicated to the cause of it, to the put in the work, and you're just on it, no matter what comes your way. It's gonna pay off, man. It's gonna pay off. So this, I thought the same when I saw it on Insta, and I saw their clip also talking to each other in the studio, and the content of that conversation was like piqued my curiosity even more. I was like, I like it, I like it. I'm liking these vibes. So very curious to check this out, and let's see what the blurb says before we press play. है ना? People in this video do not support the use of tobacco or any related products. Shore is a reflective piece that captures the evolving spirit of Dehradun. Oh, very nice. A city once known for its peace and quiet, now echoing with noise, chaos, and rapid change. I'm hearing this too often, man. I'm hearing this theme from every like be it the movement, Aniket, Daket, even Karma. I'm just hearing it a lot, and it's very heartbreaking. It should not be happening. What are the people doing? I thought, yeah, I guess development comes at a cost of something, but I mean, if there's other things to it, then I don't know what's going on. It really breaks my heart because I've been to Dehradun and I love, but it was a very long time ago. I was in school. I think 10th standard ke boards ke baad, our school had taken, a group of us to trek in the Himalayas, and हम लोग गए थे कुछ 13-14,000 feet पर हमारा base camp था ऋषिकेश river bank, and what a beautiful 10 days in the mountains. I will never forget that trip. But हमारा base था Dehradun, like hotel base. So I have fond memories of it also because we got to see the city, which is so beautiful, and I got to experience life at the IMA because my uncle was stationed there. So he invited me and my girlfriends to the IMA ball, May ball, and हमारे लिए उन्होंने cadets भी arrange किए थे as dates. It was just I mean, army people know how to party. That was just so much fun. We were teenagers. It was just gorgeous. We were picked up from our hotel in an army van, army vehicle, car, jeep, and then रात को जब सब बॉल बॉल खत्म हुई तब हम मेरे अंकल के घर आए. He lived on campus, right? He had a house in the campus, so we were there, and then अंकल ने कहा कि गाड़ियां लाओ, लड़कियों को होटल ड्रॉप करना है, और कोई गाड़ी थी नहीं अवेलेबल. सब आर्मी व्हीकल्स लड़कियों को डेट्स को ड्रॉप करने के लिए निकल गए थे. सो समहाउ वन आर्मी ट्रक वाज अवेलेबल. तो हमें आर्मी ट्रक में बिठा के ऑल ओवर, इमेजिन अस टीनेजर गर्ल्स, फोर ऑफ अस इन आवर ड्रेसेस climbing into an army truck and getting dropped back. It was hilarious. And the next day we got a full tour of the IMA. I have basically, moral of the story, I have very beautiful fond memories of Dehradun. I'm dying to go back, and hearing something like this just breaks my heart. But let's see what he's saying about what's happening in the city in the song. I'm sure, and also from what I heard on the reel, Says is going to give a very different sonic that probably, I mean, I've only covered a couple of Vichar songs, so I'm sure it's going to be sonically very different from those two or anything that he's done, because that is just Sez's forte, right? He thinks for the artist, with the artist, and helps them um, go into sonic spaces that they may not have gone into before. So I'm expecting all of that. Sonically, Shore reveals a vulnerable and honest side of Vichar, so it's going to be very different from his last two tracks. It's chill and introspective, perfect for late night drives or moments of deep thought, which you get to do a lot in the mountains, while still carrying the energy and storytelling that define his artistry. Nice. He comes across as a very deep thinker and intelligent writer, which, these are qualities you need But ठीक है, without me blabbing on more and more, let's get straight into the song. यहाँ पे lyrics हैं, so we will go into them after. Mix and master A Shock, creative director Arjun Shangari, Yuvraj Rawat, Ajanur Dini, Rishabh Yashveer, Ashman Jit. Okay, we'll go over this. 1, 2, 3, play.
Says on the beat, boy.
What a nice shot.
मचा थोड़ा शोर in my city, yeah, yeah. धुआं थोड़ा और in my city, yeah, yeah. गुनाह होते रोज in my city, yeah, yeah. हुआ पड़ा सोल बड़ा busy, yeah, yeah. शोर में दबा एक सच्चा तराना हूँ, भीड़ में अकेला फिर भी दीवाना हूँ। प्रेम पहाड़ों और धूप की चादर से, रोज यहाँ बसने का नया बहाना दूं। अरसे बिताए और चरसे उड़ाए हैं मैंने यहाँ खुद को खोजते हुए, मिली घर से दुआएं हैं, सड़कें जो आए हैं, नशा काफी तो क्या होश में तू है। कोई पैसा गिनाए, कोई पैसा चुराए, कोई पैसा उड़ाए, यहाँ बता किस खोज में तू है। ये मसले गिनाऊं तो कोसते क्यों है। जीवन के मायने बदलते दिख रहे हैं या संभल रहे कितने, चढ़ी आंखों के आगे है काली परत, तभी अंधों के शहर में आईने बिक रहे हैं। सफलता की दौड़ एक भ्रम, अब जितना है उतना भी लगे कम, यहाँ इज्जत सिर्फ होती है स्थान की, तभी अमीर ही टिक रहे हैं। महसूस है मूल रूप पर खास सब, क्योंकि यहाँ भूल चूक माफ नहीं, किसी से अपनापन और किसी से दूरी बर्दाश्त नहीं। यहाँ अपने ही अपनों के हो रहे खिलाफ है रोज, तभी बदलाव को दिया हूँ बहने और रखी है बदले की आग में। हर मोड़ पे किस्से हैं खून और पसीने के, सपनों के सौदे होते हैं जमीनों पे। डर ओढ़ के झूठा सुकून मेरे सीने से, कड़वे सच और सवालों की जंजीरों में। सब छोड़ के किसे जुनून है महीने से, रातों में दौड़े तकदीर की लकीरों पे। छाप ढूंढता फिर रहा मैं धूप की परछाई में, अभी जिंदा हूँ बिखरते यकीनों में। मचा थोड़ा शोर in my city, yeah, yeah. धुआं थोड़ा और in my city, yeah, yeah. गुनाह होते रोज in my city, yeah, yeah. हुआ पड़ा सोल बड़ा busy, yeah, yeah. मचा थोड़ा शोर in my city, yeah, yeah. धुआं थोड़ा और in my city, yeah, yeah. गुनाह होते रोज in my city, yeah, yeah. हुआ पड़ा सोल बड़ा busy, yeah, yeah.
The red.
कोत्सा गसन यूत तीर से
Wow.
से पता आज हालात ये आसान ठीक रात कित नेरुन सड़कन पे फेरुन थोर नति रातस यह जान अजकन हालातन मज कहें। जान गो सुली गस नेरुन, सुली आव इंसान ये पता शहर ना तुथ शहर जन ब्रोट आसान सान वक्त अत त्राट पे
विचार इलाका दून सिरी बॉय।
Oh man, that's heartbreaking. Those last few lines. Oh, sometimes I wonder how, it feels, because this city is your home. You've grown up here, you spent your whole life here. How does it feel to see it becoming something you don't like? It's kind of like seeing someone you love turn into a version of themselves that you don't like, right? It's kind of like heartbreaking, but then you're like, what do I do? This is their journey, this is their path. Yeah. I've never lived anywhere long enough to, like, okay, so I grew up in Muscat, and Muscat has consistently kept its culture and not tried to explode like Dubai did. It's just a peaceful, calm, beautiful, clean city, and it continues to be that. So I still love that. It didn't change in those, core intrinsic values. लेकिन दुबई, जब मैं वहां गई तब कुछ नहीं था। ना दुबई मॉल था, ना इंटरनेट सिटी, मीडिया सिटी, कुछ नहीं था। लिटरली शेख जायद रोड, फर्स्ट इंटरचेंज, सेकंड इंटरचेंज, दैट्स इट, नथिंग, देयर वाज नथिंग। And over the decade that I spent there, a little over a decade, I saw the city just progressively. Yeah, anyway, let's not go there. I didn't like where, things were going, but it's still an amazing city even today, just not for me. But I feel like looking at your home change in ways that feel like they're ripping away pieces of, the soul little by little. That must feel really like heartbreaking, right? So that really came across in this. Especially, I have to give props first to the video team, the visuals. It was so beautifully, like the pace of it moved so well with the pace of the music and what was going on in terms of the arrangement. The slow mo, the highlight, the red was like main character energy was happening because of the red element in the video. So it almost felt like the red is the main character, and it kind of was. Even the subtitles were written in red. Or हर एक वो चीज जो kind of I guess the car was red as well, but I think all the little highlight moments like the जुआ का जो नीचे बिछा हुआ क्लॉथ है वो लाल था. उसके बाद वो लड़का लड़की आई थिंक दे वर स्टैंडिंग एंड फाइटिंग. दे डिडंट लुक हैप्पी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन देयर. शी वाज वेयरिंग रेड. कॉटन कैंडी रेड. द टावर ऑन फायर वाज रेड. सम गाय हु वाज पंचिंग समवन एल्स, उसका कुछ रेड था. द कंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रक with all the construction material, that was red. There was a red this thing. I think देवी का वो होता है ना cloth. वो rear view में वो red था. So the things that were getting highlighted in red making very strong point. That thing where he's driving away from the tower and the tower is on fire, वो shot. I mean, उसको आप frame करके अपने studio में लगा दो. What a beautiful shot. I think actually every frame of this video is frame worthy. वहाँ अरोरा एसोसिएट्स लिखा था ऊपर. I was like, ये कर्मा है क्या? कर्मा का family business. Anyway, let me not badnamify the Aurora Associates, but beautiful video. He's passing by people who are like selling drugs on the street. He's passing by people who are playing jua. He's passing by, I don't know, people fighting, the construction, the girlfriend boyfriend, I think, fighting, the police taking rishwat. And the whole thing is, it's the little boy and him in the car, which is like me in my childhood and me now. So, I think that's what it was. The young me and the now me and what we know of our city. And then that end shot of them on top of that hill. I think I've seen that viewpoint in pictures. So यहाँ पे गुनाह होते रोज हुआ बड़ा सोल. कहाँ जाना है इतनी रात में तुझे. तो पता है आजकल हालात ठीक नहीं होते रात में. देखो तो पता है हालात ठीक नहीं होते रात में. रात को सड़कों पे निकलना और घूमना अब ठीक नहीं रहा. दिस इज द स्पोकन बिट. अच्छा ये है तुम जल्दी जाओ और जल्दी आओ. अच्छा ये है तुम जल्दी जाओ जल्दी आओ, जब पता है कि शहर अब वैसा नहीं रहा. That was really जैसे अपने टाइम पर होता था. इसकी हालात खराब है. Oh, that's just sad. Cinegoats. Cinegoats, beautiful video, man. Cinegoats. Let's go over the lyrics because man has said some very real, deep, introspection inducing things. One sec. I'm just trying to see. ठीक है. Let's read. Macha thoda shore in my city, yeah. The hook and him singing, beautiful, beautiful. The side of him, beautiful. Loved it. It was so smooth. It's like it doesn't sound like a socio-economic, socio-political message wala track. It just sounds like a track you can loop over and over. It brought that easy to listen quality to it, and his voice sounded really good. Macha thoda shore in my city, yeah. Hua thoda और in my city, yeah. गुनाह होते रोज in my city. हुआ पड़ा सोल. हुआ पड़ा सोल बड़ा बिजी आया. हुआ पड़ा सोल. हुआ पड़ा सोल. हुआ पड़ा. ओके. बचा थोड़ा. ओके. बस शोर में दबा एक सच्चा तराना हूँ. भीड़ में अकेला फिर भी दीवाना हूँ. प्रेम पहाड़ों और धूप की चादर से. दैट्स shot of the birds flying in the V formation. Another frame worthy frame. प्रेम पहाड़ों और धूप की चादर से रोज यहाँ बसने का नया बहाना दूं. नाइस. अरसे बिताए और चरसे उड़ाए हैं मैंने यहाँ खुद को खोजते हुए. मिली घर से दुआएं ये सड़कें जुआ है. यहाँ नशा काफी तो क्या होश में तू है. कोई पैसा गिनाए कोई पैसा चुराए कोई पैसा उड़ाए यहाँ. बता किस खोज में तू है. ये मसले गिनाऊं तो कोसते क्यों है. Oops. सफलता की दौड़ नहीं, जीवन के मायने बदलते दिख रहे हैं। आई लव पीपल हु यूज द वर्ड जीवन। जीवन के मायने बदलते दिख रहे हैं, यहाँ संभल रहे कितने हैं। चढ़ी आंखों के आगे है काली परत, तभी अंधों के शहर में आईने बिखरे हैं। उफ, बार्स। Sorry, I just remembered. I thought the kid was smoking when the start. He had the thing in his mouth, the stick or the lollipop, whatever it was. Um, it's like, thank God he's not. सफलता की दौड़ एक भ्रम, अब जितना है उतना भी लगे कम। या, दैट्स ट्रू। यहाँ इज्जत सिर्फ होती है स्थान की, तभी अमीर ही टिक रहे हैं। महसूस है मूल रूप परखा सब, क्योंकि यहाँ भूल चूक माफ नहीं, किसी से अपनापन और किसी से दूरी बर्दाश्त नहीं। यहाँ अपने ही अपनों के होरे खिलाफ हैं रोज, तभी बदलाव को दिया हूँ बहने, और रखी है बदले की आग नहीं। बदलाव को दिया हूँ ने, और रखी है बदले की आग नहीं। डैम सन, लेयर्ड। ब्रिज, हर मोड़ पे किस्से हैं खून और पसीने के, सपनों के सौदे होते हैं जमीनों पे। डर ओढ़ के छूटा सुकून मेरे सीने से। दिस डर ओढ़ के जो आपने बोली है बात, ये क्या ही लाइन, मतलब कितना उसमें। आई वाज इमेजिनिंग इट। डर ओढ़ के छूटा सुकून मेरे सीने से, कड़वे सच और सवालों की जंजीरों में। So it's so, it just was very uneasy, listening to it made me feel a little like suffocated. सब छोड़ के घिसे जुनून में महीने से, सब छोड़ के घिसे जुनून में महीने से, रातों में दौड़े तकदीर की लकीरों पे। छाँव ढूंढता फिरा मैं धूप की परछाई में, छाँव ढूंढता फिरा मैं धूप की परछाई में, अभी जिंदा हूँ बिखरते यकीनों में। भाई साहब, दिस इज ऑल ऑफ अस एज लाइफ हैपेंस। हम सब जिंदा रहते हैं बिखरते यकीनों में। हमारे सब बिलीव्स बदल जाते हैं जैसे जैसे टाइम निकलता जाता है लाइफ में। जस्ट से एंड देन द होप। So lovely, yaar. But I really feel like, if the people who live in a city who they consider it their home, and who've grown up there, who've been there their whole life and will always be there, they really should like um do what they can to better things in whatever way, if you really feel very strongly about it. um I don't think I mean, it's good to bring up problems, it's good to talk about them, it's good to raise your voice, it's good to demand things, but it's also equally important to do your bit as a citizen, right? To, I don't know, figure out, can I work in some way to make something better about my city? Anything. Could be as small as getting a group of people together and going and cleaning up localities or areas in the mountains. Like I saw this reel once, अभी कुछ महीनों पहले on Instagram, was it, or YouTube? This one influencer in South India, he just called out to people and said, we need to clean this Bauli, like this well, क्या बोलते हैं, step well. And 20-25 people just came and they all just cleaned it out, and oh my God, I was shocked to see the thing. And they didn't say कि government help करो और ये वो ये नहीं. Young people just got together, they got into the water and they started draining, they started cleaning, and in like a day the entire place was so spick span, like it looked like it must have looked back in the day, when it was a functioning well. The point is, there's always something you can actually do, and I encourage anyone to just get together and make change happen in whatever small way you can. So that's my two bits. But I love that he made the song. I love how Sez produced it. I love the sonicscape, his singing, his like very high emotionality in his delivery, and the thoughts that were expressed, and the video that really captured the essence and message of the song and the emotion of the song. Beautiful. All departments. Y'all have won. It's a winner, man. Big W. And on that note, I really hope my next trip to Dehradun happens soon. If not, up to, it's almost the end of the year, but if not 2025, 26 May for sure. I actually had plans to do Dehradun in 2025, but this ankle sprain, everything, all plans up in the air. But soon, hopefully it happens soon. Chalo, on that note, take very good care of yourselves and let me know what you thought of this track. Tell me in the comments. If you're from Dehradun, tell me Tell me what's happening to your city. I would love to know. And when I visit, I would like to, I don't know, maybe hang out. Let me know. Anyway, take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper. I'll see you in the next one.
थोड़ा शोर in my city, yeah, yeah. धुआं थोड़ा और in my city, yeah, yeah. गुनाह होते रोज in my city, yeah, yeah. हुआ पड़ा सोल बड़ा busy, yeah, yeah. मचा थोड़ा शोर in my city, yeah, yeah. धुआं थोड़ा